Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, today we have the situation to speak on. The situation is that suppose you are at a farmhouse with a swimming pool. एक ऐसे फार्म हाउस पर आप है जहां स्विमिंग पूल है। ये स्विमिंग पूल वाले एक फार्म हाउस में आप हैं। ये फर्ज कीजिए एंड यू डोंट नो हाउ टू स्विम। आपको तैरना नहीं आता है। एट दैट मोमेंट योर मोबाइल फेल्स इनटू द स्विमिंग पूल। उस मौके पर आपका फोन स्विमिंग पूल में गिर जाता है। वॉट विल यू डू इन दैट सिचुएशन? इस सिचुएशन में आप क्या करेंगे? गिव द आंसर। उसका तरीका देखिए, पहले आप सिचुएशन यू वेन एवर यू वांट टू गिव द आंसर टू द सिचुएशन एज आई हैव शोन यू टुडे हियर, सो फर्स्ट repeat the words and the sense which the article has and which the situation has. Please repeat first the question, then try to give the answer. Okay. Who is coming? अब 5 मिनट के अंदर सारे स्टूडेंट आ जाने चाहिए, सब लोग हैंड रेज होने चाहिए। इस पे सोच लीजिए। बुलाइए भाई। बुलाइए भाई। राहत परवीन प्लीज। सिचुएशन तो आप लोगों ने पढ़ी ली है।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
नाम प्लीज।
Suppose if I am in a farmhouse and I don't know how to swim, and my mobile phone fell down in the swimming pool. In that situation, if anyone there, then I will tell him to please bring out my phone from the swimming pool. And if no one is there, then I will try to bring out my phone from the swimming pool by using net. And uh, because if my phone fell down in a swimming pool, then I have patience, because I know it will not work properly. If it fell down in water, then it will not properly. Then I will not be panic. I will be just calm down, and after that I will try to bring out my phone from swimming pool. and if there is no net is available there to bring out my phone, and then I will out all water from a swimming pool
Hmm.
by using motor,
Hmm.
and when swimming pool uh,
Empty.
empty
Hmm.
will empty, then I will bring my phone out, and I will um, give it to the technician to make it, and then it will work properly.
वाह गजब भाई, बहुत बढ़िया माशाल्लाह। राहत परवीन गजब। नेक्स्ट शिफा परवीन
Thank you.
आइए माशाल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम प्लीज गुड़िया।
Suppose I'm at farmhouse and in a with a swimming pool and I don't know how to swim. So at that moment, my mobile phone falls into the swimming pool. So in that situation, firstly, I will stay calm, avoid panicking, and I will not directly jump into the swimming pool because I don't know how to swim. So firstly, I will stay calm, and next I will do some another. I will look some another person who know how to swim. So I will ask help from them, and I will also do like some sticks, long sticks, and I will try to bring my
गेट।
phone from them. So
माशाल्लाह। ओके बढ़िया ग्रेट।
because
हाँ
like I will prioritize my life over the phone, because phone is like I can buy
टेम्परेरी।
another phone, but life is more important, so I will not directly jump into the swimming pool.
ग्रेट बढ़िया माशाल्लाह। ये लास्ट पॉइंट आपका बहुत जोरदार था लेकिन माशाल्लाह। नेक्स्ट हम्माद प्लीज। हम्माद आइए। नेक्स्ट लकी अली प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
सलाम प्लीज।
Suppose that I am at farmhouse with swimming pool and I don't know how to swim at that moment, and my mobile phone falls into the swimming pool. So what will I do in that situation? First of all, here I would like to mention 2 points, and the one point is suppose that I don't know how to swim, and usually I don't want to go there with alonely. And first of all, I would like to say with my friend, if you know how to swim, so you can go, go into the swimming pool, and after that you can bring for me. Suppose that my friend says to me, brother, I don't know how to swim. So at that time, yeah, I will not tell. So just and apart from that, I would like to mention a second point. Suppose that I don't know how to swim. So at that time, I will not take risk, and after that I have a money also. So that's why I will think not a big deal. Yeah, that's
ओके बढ़िया
yes.
माशाल्लाह। अच्छा लगी शाबाश। अनाओ।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम। आफ्टर आई थिंक 5 or 6 days you are coming.
Yeah, sir, actually, I was joining, but lately.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please.
So let's assuming that I'm at a farmhouse. And there is a swimming pool also available. And unfortunately, I don't know how to swim. And at the same moment, like my mobile phone fall into that swimming pool. So I will get a little bit panic because there's a lot of things in my phone, a lot of data. So what will I do? I will search for the cleaning swimming pool tool net. Sorry. So I will look here and there if there is something available, so that I can do it on my own without taking anybody's help. And if there's nothing available, so I will. If my family is also available, I will ask my brothers to bring it out for me. And if there is no one available, so I won't go into that pool definitely, because I don't know how to swim, and uh, I won't risk my life also, because it's very important, as everyone says. So I will ask for anybody's help who will be who is already who is already there in the pool. So I will ask them to bring it out for me. And if there is no option left, I will let it be. What can I do? Because there it like
Life is more important than others.
yeah, because it will get destroyed maybe after like getting fall into the pool in water.
Absolutely. Okay, Gudiya. Jazakallah Hana. Spoke well. MashaAllah. Zainab Babu.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alayhi salam. Please.
So the situation is if I am at a farmhouse with a swimming pool and I don't know how to swim, at that moment my mobile phone falls into the swimming pool. First of all, I will look for somebody. If there is anyone who can help me, I'll tell him that my phone has fallen down. Please help me. If no one is there, I will use a swimming tube, or I will use with a stick or something, and I'll take out my mobile phone. Because of the swimming pool tube, I can get into the swimming pool easily and get my phone.
अरे वाह ग्रेट भाई गजब सबसे अलग लाइव अच्छी माशाल्लाह शबाश बेटे
Jazakallah, sir.
आमीन बेटे बहुत बढ़िया सबा प्लीज
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम
I am in the farmhouse and I don't know how to swim, and mobile also fall in the swimming pool. That time I thought within 5 minutes what all can I do, and no one here is help for me. Then I thought, okay, don't worry, I because I know because I know swimming that and I jump in swimming pool. Then I the mobile I bring mobiles. Sorry, sir.
माशाल्लाह अच्छा है बहुत अच्छा बोली हो माशाल्लाह सबा अच्छा बोली गुड़िया शाबाश अली जाओ बेटे
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
प्लीज बेटी वालेकुम सलाम
Suppose I am in a swimming farmhouse with a swimming pool and I don't know how to swim. But my mobile phone falls into the swimming pool. What I will do? First, I won't panic. I will go to the security guard. I know that security guard is very best swimmer, and tell him that my mobile phone falls into the swimming pool, and I will tell that, so please take out it very carefully because my mobile phone is waterproof.
ओके ओके अच्छा बेटे शाबाश बढ़िया लीजा नेक्स्ट सानी आओ गुड़िया
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम प्लीज
If I am at a farmhouse with a swimming pool and I don't know how to swim, at the moment when my phone falls into the swimming pool, firstly, I would like to say that I have a lot of fear of water and I am not going anywhere without my family. So I called my family members and those people who already in the swimming pool, and they help me because they know how to swim, and I have a lot of fear of water. And
Great
then
idea.
then I get my phone. I don't think so my phone will survive after drawn into the swimming pool. So it's a very heartbreaking thing for me, and my mother also shouting me about this. And after that, I get my phone to repair, and then after that I use my mobile again.
माशाल्लाह
If it will
great
survive or not.
okay
Jazakallah, sir.
okay I am very pleased you have used while talking our drawn Dubna. You have used this word. Amazing, mashallah. That's a wonderful thing. Actually, I give you these words just not only to read out and memorize them, but to use them in your communication or daily use sentences as well. Please. अच्छा सानिया बढ़िया बोली हो माशाल्लाह अम्मा दाओ बाबू
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम सलाम जी
The situation is that I am in the farmhouse with a swimming pool. I don't know how to swim, and my mobile is fallen down in the swimming pool. So what will I do in this situation? First of all, I will say Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We are for Allah and we will turn to Allah. After it, you know very well, swimming pool is not deep very much. It means everyone can go in the water because swimming pool is not deep very much. If swimming pool is deep very much, so I will sound dead. Is there anyone who can help me? My mobile fallen down in the water. Is there anyone? So maybe anyone can help me. Maybe no cannot help me. No problem. I lost my mobile. I will buy other mobile.
Okay. You will buy other new phone. चलिए शाबाश. अच्छा फाइज आओ बाबू.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम. Please.
Okay, suppose I am at a farmhouse with a swimming pool, and I don't know how to swim at that moment, and my mobile phone falls into the swimming pool, and at that time I will try to like call to someone who is the nearest of me, and try to explain my like situation, what exactly happened to me, and how my mobile is fall down to swimming pool, and asking to favor like you can help me to bring out my phone from swimming pool. If they deny, so the second option for me is I will searching for the like swimming jacket, basically which is used for like who don't know swim, so they use that life saving jackets which help them to like swim. So I will try to use that. If using that and I feel like struggle and using that jacket, so I will skip that, and the last option remain for me is like awaiting my family and friends. If they came, so I will try my situation and I will wait for their response.
Great. अच्छा फायदा. बढ़िया माशाल्लाह. Spoke well. Anis Fatima.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम.
Suppose I'm in farmhouse, so that time I will swim and my phone is fell down in swimming pool. So I will try and I will swim. I will swim through for swim tube. I will try I will try how to take out my phone in swimming pool. So I will try anything like a stick and etc. I will try out take out my phone. So I can't do that time. I will call you my son, yeah, my brother. I will call my brother. After that, my brother came and take out my phone in swimming pool and give me. So I take my phone and my brother is shouting me, why are you this like do? So I am, so that time I will, sorry, is my brother. So I can, next time I can't do this like, so I will take the phone.
Okay. Great
Sorry,
माशाल्लाह.
sir.
अच्छा. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. शाबाश.
I'm hesitant, sir. I'm first time, no, sir. Today I'm sick, sir. I'm not well. So that's why I'm confused, sir.
Okay. May Allah give you cure.
Amin, sir.
हाँ, जज़ाकल्लाह. कोई बात नहीं गुड़ी.
Thank
अच्छे
you, sir.
बोले होगे
Jazakallah.
माशाल्लाह. शाबाश. कासिम आओ.
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम. Yes.
I suppose that I'm at a farmhouse with swimming pool and I don't know how to swim and suddenly my mobile will down in the swimming pool and then I will go to my friends. Please let's go with me because my phone has fallen in the swimming pool and I don't know how to swim. Please let's go with me and take out from the swimming pool and then we will go near the swimming pool and then we will jump in the swimming pool and after sometimes he will searching and after sometimes he will take out my phone and then I will say thanks and I will check my mobile that are working or not, because I don't know my mobile is waterproof or not. If my mobile is not working, I will go to market with my friend with my bike, and then and after some time I will reach on the shop of mobile worker, and then I will tell him uh, all happens that with me, and then I will say him, please check my phone what's problem in my mobile, and then the workers check my mobile, and then he will tell me that please come after some days because it will take time to repair, and then I will go to my house, and I will go after some days, and take my mobile after repairing, and I will ask him how many rupees I will give you, and then he will give me the price which repaired, and then I will take my take my mobile, and I will come back at my home.
ओके, आप तो माशाल्लाह निकाल के दुकान पे ही पहुंच गए हैं, उससे सब मार्केटिंग वगैरह करा उरा के बढ़िया से पैसे वैसे देकर आए हो सब, है चलो अच्छा है। शाबाश। महीनुल सहर।
Suppose I am in farmhouse with swimming pool, and I don't know how to swim. At the moment, my boy I take with the help of me treatment, and I call security guards, some people, my friends, to bring my food on. Yes, sir.
ओके, इसलिए मैंने आपको उसमें बीच में बोलते हुए यूं नहीं टोका कि कम से कम जो आप बोल रहे हो वो तो बोल रहे हैं आप। सॉरी, वरना आपकी आवाज नहीं आ पाई गुड़िया साहब। कोई बात नहीं, चलिए जज़ाकल्लाह। हाँ भाई, और लोग कौन कौन है क्लास में? अरे वो आयशा सिद्दीकी कहाँ है? अरे वो है, उनको बुलाओ। देखो नीचे आयशा सिद्दीका। यस, वो तो कई सारे बच्चे नहीं आए, अंसारी हुदा भी नहीं आई, फारूक फातिमा, ये सब बच्चे भी तो ऐसे ही हैं। क्यों नहीं आए आप
अस्सलाम
लोग? वालेकुम अस्सलाम। क्या बात भाई साहब, क्यों नहीं आ रहे आप?
I am hesitated, sir. So
अरे
that's why.
वाई आर यू हेजिटेटेड भाई? इसमें हेजिटेशन का क्या मसला गुड़े, जैसे बोलना है वैसे बोलो। देखो सबा ने कितना अच्छा बोला था।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आप भी ऐसे ही बोलो।
Inshallah.
कब से
Suppose
इंशाल्लाह?
now,
अभी बोलो, चलो शाबाश।
suppose my phone fall in the. Suppose I went to the farmhouse with a swimming pool, and I don't know how to swim. At that moment, my phone falls into the swimming pool. At that moment, I will. If I go with my family, I will ask to my family members to help me, or I went alone. Means I will ask somebody to help me. If there is someone they are swimming in the pool, I ask them to help me and take out my phone from the pool.
शाबाश,
If
बड़े अच्छे तो
nobody is
बोले
there,
हो।
I will search. Yes, sir.
हाँ,
If
और
nobody is there, I will search for equipments, anything if it is available. I will take that, and I will try to take out my phone myself out.
शाबाश, अच्छा है, बढ़िया, तो अच्छा तो बोलियो माशाल्लाह, अच्छा है,
जी।
शाबाश। उनको बुलाओ नीचे, अंसारी हुदा जी। आओ हुदा। हुदा सदनी सर कितने ही बुला लो, अगर आज मैं आ जाऊं आज क्लास में आपके सामने, तो बात ही क्या है। चलो गुड़िया मत आओ, उनको बुलाओ अकील को ऊपर सबसे।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
अस्सलाम, प्लीज।
Yes, in that situation, I don't know how to swim. My primary concern is to avoid the entering the pool. It could put me at the risk of the drawing. Another one is if the phone is within the reach. So I would try to carefully save my phone with any sticks and long handle brush, or avoid the and that can help me the reach out the without having the enter the pool. Another one, I will instead of I would like immediately seek help from the someone who knows how to swing, or I would ask them to save the phone for me.
Hmm.
In that another one, if the phone is successfully saved, I would quickly dry it towels or any absorbance material or clothes.
Okay. Great, Akhil. बढ़िया. अच्छा, you mashallah shared a great points. Halima आओ गुड़िया. Halima sister.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, I have only 2 or 3 lines.
Ah, okay, not an issue.
Okay. Suppose I am going to the farmhouse with swimming pool, and I don't know how to swim. At that moment, mobile phone falls into the water, swimming pool. And this situation, I will ask anyone, and with whom I will go at the farmhouse. Then I call who one is want to know how to swim. Then she is going to into the swimming pool, and take out the mobile, and nothing this situation. Then I am helping to cleaning net. Then I take out the mobile, and I immediately I am using the hair dryer with dry mobile. And it's okay, don't worry, mobile is on or off, because mobile is not important
As compared to life.
compared to life. Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
अच्छा गुड़िया सिस्टर, बढ़िया, माशाल्लाह. फारूक फातिमा.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Salam, please.
Yeah, if I am at a farmhouse and with swimming pool and I don't know how to swim, and my mobile phone falls in the water, so first of all I will see that if someone already in the swimming pool, so I ask them, so I get easily. If no one is there, I will looking someone who near me. And if no one is there, I will try to take a long stick on it, something like that. And I will not be panic because my mobile is waterproof. So at least I have 1 hour. So
माशाल्लाह.
yeah, if I have no option, then I will ask to my daughter, because she know how to swim.
Oh, ये बात.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's
Okay,
it. Thank you,
अच्छा,
sir.
जज़ाकल्लाह गुड़िया, अच्छा बोले, माशाल्लाह. आए बच्चों और आइए. अफसाना शेख आओ बाबू.
जी sir, if my mobile phone falls into the swimming pool, the first thing which I do is avoid jumping into the pool directly because I can't swim. Then if I can check someone is there, if someone is nearby, I can that can swim. So I would ask for help. Otherwise, second option I will look for is if I have another device like smartwatch, I would call someone for assistance, and then I get my phone out. If then first thing which I do is remove my SIM card, memory card, because it's necessary. And I would avoid immediately charging to the phone because it can damage. And then if I would check if the phone turns or on or not after at least 24 hours minimum. And if phone is not working, then I would go to the shop to repair phone.
Great, अच्छा अफसाना, बढ़िया गुड़िया, माशाल्लाह. ईशा आओ बेटे.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम जी।
If we go the farmhouse and our phone falls into the swimming pool, we can save our phone in the water by taking the help of an employee or warning a fire swimming tire and brother, and we have to go by ourselves. Our phone can be saved in water, and if our phone is the waterproof, our phones will not get damaged.
ओके ग्रेट, अच्छा बेटे। सोहिल आओ।
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
सलाम जी।
सर suppose he tells me कि my I have one and enjoy I tell you कि okay no problem, I can go with you and I'm enjoying with you this moment farm. And that time I check swimming pool and deeply swimming that I told you कि I don't know swim. He tell me कि I know but don't know. So he tells me you sitting their side and you enjoying your mobile phone. Okay, no, I am in farmhouse. After that, he check it room, my friend, and I'm playing game. Suddenly, my phone uh, fell into the swimming pool, and I speak my friend, come here, and check it. And what happened, bro? But he tell me ki what happened. I tell you my phone fell into the swimming pool. He tells me okay, no problem. Check, and I into the inside swimming pool and bring the phone. And he he he
चलिए शाबाश, अच्छा है।
forget this.
कोई बात नहीं सोहेल, कोई बात नहीं।
He came inside.
आपकी नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम भी बाबू, आवाज नहीं आ रही थी आपकी। ठीक है, तो वो समझ में नहीं आ रही सिचुएशन बोल कर रहे हैं मैंने आपको, इसलिए टोका बीच में के जरा बोल लो, जितना आप बोलना चाह रहे हो बोलो। और आना चाह रहा है भाई कोई? कौन कौन बच्चे हैं जो नहीं बोले, उनके नाम तो देख लें कौन कौन है वो। अच्छा भाई, एक मिनट रुकिए जरा। हम्म, और नीचे करिए जरा। अच्छा, सही है भैया, सही है। सिस्टर माहिरा, आपको बोले हुए कितने साल हो गए मालूम है? और मनहा, आप पता नहीं कहाँ हो भाई। ऐसा बात, ये बात मत करो भाई। आप लोग है ना, देखो ये अब आपका जो अय्याम चल रहे हैं, जो आपके डेज हैं, ये तो बोलने की है बस। आपको जो भी टॉपिक मिल जाए दनादन शुरू हो जाओ उस पर बस। और कुछ बच्चे आप में से गजब बोले हैं, सिचुएशन बेहतरीन माशाल्लाह। ठीक है, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट सभी अच्छा बोले हैं, सभी। लेकिन जो नहीं बोले उनसे ये कहूंगा, भाई साहब आप भी बोलिए। बगैर बोले कुछ नहीं रखा, सच में नहीं रखा। और जब तक आप ये नहीं करेंगे, बाहर कम्युनिकेशन नहीं कर पाएंगे आप भाई साहब। बाहर आदमी आपसे ही नहीं पूछेगा व्हाट्स योर फेवरेट डिश, व्हाट डू यू डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश और नॉट। वो तो कुछ अलग ही पूछेगा आपसे भाई साहब। उसके अकॉर्डिंग जवाब देना है आपको। और उसके अकॉर्डिंग जवाब आप तब दे पाएंगे, तब यहाँ जो सिचुएशंस, इस तरह और जो टॉपिक्स आपको दिए जा रहे हैं बोलने के लिए, उन पर आप बात करेंगे। तो आप बात करिए मेरे दोस्त। गलत सही, इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस, कोई मसला नहीं। इफ यू आर कमिटिंग मिस्टेक्स, not a big deal, everyone makes a mistake. You are not a special that you are committing a mistake. कोई मसला नहीं है, आप निराले नहीं है कि दुनिया में गलती कर रहे हो आप। एवरीवन मेक्स अ मिस्टेक भाई साहब, बड़े बड़े अच्छे लोग गलतियां करते हैं। ठीक है, तो मेकिंग मिस्टेक डजंट मीन यू डोंट कम टू परफॉर्म बिफोर ऑल द क्लास। नहीं, आइए यहाँ पर गलतियां कीजिए, आप 1 करोड़ गलतियां कीजिए। ठीक है मेरे भाई, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं। आयशा को बुलाओ भाई, आयशा आइए। अकील आप भी बाबू रोजाना क्लास ज्वाइन करो, कम करते हो आप। आयशा आओ।
सर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था बार बार निकालने के। Suppose you are at our farmhouse with a swimming pool, and unfortunately, my mobile phone fall into the swimming pool. So that's why I get a disturb. And first of all, I will shout. And so first of all, my family members, I will call you, and then first of all, I ask for help you and around you. That's why. First of all, suppose I don't know how to swim. So first of all, I know how to swim. So that's why I will help other person and around you, and wish how to swim. And first of all, I will learn and swim with 5 minutes and 10 minutes. And then other option is I will call swimmer person, and then I will speak, please I will bring my food into water. So that's why according to me, I will think my mobile phone fall into the water. So that's why my mobile phone will be damaged. So that's why first of all I will carry service center, and I will check my mobile phone. First of all, I will come my home.
शाबाश शाबाश। अच्छा है आयशा, बढ़िया बाबू। खुशबू आइए, बड़े दिनों बाद आई।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
अस्सलाम जी।
I'm a farmhouse and I don't know how to swim, and my phone falls into the swimming pool. And I will call my family and friends, and I ask people for help me. If you damage my phone, so I will keep it in my heart, and no problem, I will buy a new mobile.
अरे वाह भाई, क्या बात है जी। हारिस, आप भी बिल्कुल नहीं बोलते हो बाबू, बोला कीजिए आप, आपका तभी फायदा होगा, ठीक है। देखो आप सब लोग की क्लास में जुड़े हुए हो माशाल्लाह, तो जब तक आप बोलेंगे नहीं ना, आपको सच में फायदा नहीं होना इससे, वाकई में नहीं हुआ। आप तो बोलो ना यार, जैसे बोला जा रहा है यहाँ, मैं किसी को टोकता हूँ कि आपने गलत बोल दिया? अभी कितने लोग आते हैं, कितनी मिस्टेक्स करते हैं, है ना। तो आ, कोई मसला नहीं है, अगर कोई ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक्स कर रहा है तो करो, क्या हुआ। अरे खुद से ही हो जाती है मिस्टेक्स, ये आपको सब पता है कैसे बना है। आपसे सेंटेंस में पूछूं कि मैं जा सकता था, तो आप आई विल गो थोड़ी बनाओगे, आप कहोगे आई कुड हैव गॉन। मैं जा सकता, पता है आपको कैसे बनेगा। अरे तो बोलो जैसा बन रहा है यार, इतना सोचने की क्या जरूरत है इसमें, और इतना वो करने की मैं बोल कैसे बोलूंगा या कैसे बोलूंगी, मुझसे तो इतनी गलतियां होंगी, बस तो यही सोचते रह जाओगे आप फिर। ठीक है मेरे भाई, चलिए लास्ट स्टूडेंट दानिया बुलाइए।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
प्लीज।
Suppose I am at my farmhouse and I don't know how to swim, but my phone falls in the pool. So, firstly, I want to calm and don't panic in that situation. I want to see that if the water is deep or shallow. If the shallow, then I take it by myself, or is it deep? Then I call to someone, please help me. If they are not help me in that situation, then I remember I have a magnet. Because when I once came in my farmhouse, my phone almost fell in the pool, but luckily it was saved. Then I remembered I have a magnet. Then I searching for a stick. Then I tie a magnet with a stick. Then I tie a magnet with a stick. Then I use a stick and magnet to take back my phone from the swimming pool.
शाबाश, बढ़िया बढ़िया, अच्छा है दानी, अच्छा बोलियो, शाबाश। देखो ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना, कोई बात नहीं, आपने अच्छे पॉइंट निकाले माशाल्लाह, अपने अंदाज में बोले यार, ये पॉइंट क्या रखा है इसमें, है ना। चलिए खैर, जज़ाकल्लाह, अच्छा बोले ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग माशाल्लाह, और मेहनत करिए। मिलते हैं, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।